Hello guys, it's only Nairi, and today I'm going to show y'all how to make an aesthetic iOS 14 background on your phone. All you need is two apps, Widgetsmith, which is this black and blue app, and Shortcuts. And I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so my sister said she wanted Rico Nasty as her background. So all you want to do first is just start with what colors are in the background. So she got pink hair, blue tattoos with orange in it, and I guess red mahogany makeup. So I'm gonna start with pink. And she said she wanted her background as like female rappers. So I'm gonna look up pink aesthetics from Rihanna. And boom, you get that picture. Oh, you got this one. I'm gonna add this to the photos. I'm gonna choose two. Add that one and probably this one. Add that to the photos. And then for this part, you're gonna use Widgetsmith. And I want mine to be a small picture, so I'm gonna do this. Press default and then you scroll down to photo, select photo, and then you choose this one. Press back and press save. Do the same thing for the next photo. Go down, select the photo, go back and press save. So then you press down on your screen, and then you go down to Widgetsmith, press small, add widget, and boom. And then you do the same thing, but this time, you have to edit the widget. Small 2, and then make sure it's number 2. Oh wait. Edit widget, small 2. So for this one, it's number 1. Yeah, okay, so it's number 1. And then if you want to change your app icon, you go to Shortcuts, press the plus, press add action, scripting, open app, choose what app. So for this one, I'm gonna do Instagram. Press the 3 dots in the corner. For the shortcut name, put Instagram. Add to home screen, and then you tap the little icon where it says new shortcut 16. Press that icon, and I'm gonna just choose this. I'm gonna just choose this picture. And for the shortcut name, put Instagram again. Press add, and done. And then when you go back to your home screen, you'll see it right here.